Alright guys, here's my 2002 Mustang GT, fully stock, convertible. Got the bullet rims on that thing. Anyway guys, I'm starting this channel up just to share with you the new age Mustangs. Some of those underrated Mustangs of all time. Not only does it look good, but you know, looks good inside too. This is the interior. Gonna be modding this out pretty soon. Not nothing too crazy, but just a few modifications here and there. So anyway guys, this is my garage. This is all the work's gonna be getting done. Alright guys, here's the 2002 Mustang GT. As you can see, it is bone stock. Everything is all original. And I'm just going to be making some mostly cosmetic modifications. I don't think I'm going to be doing too much for horsepower. I'm going to add a few, but not a whole lot. Like I said, this car is amazing, but it's, you know, you really can't make it that fast unless you're really going to supercharge it. And I just ain't going to put that kind of money into it. I'm going to just use it for what it is. And, you know, that's for going on those Sunday drives, weekend car, cruising around with the top down. And that's it. Like, there really is no point to trying to make it fast, because the cars that are coming out today, I mean, you know, they're coming up with over, what, 350 to 400 plus stock. So that's kind of pointless. But you can make it look nice. So anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos real soon.